Hi everyone, so it's finally fall here in central Pennsylvania and the weather is cool and crisp and there's a little bit of a drizzle in the air. I have my big comfy sweater on, I have my hot cup of tea, and I'm happy because I love fall. So let's look at that. What kind of mood am I in and what is causing that? It's the weather. The weather is causing me to be happy because I love this time of year. However, if I had woken up and it was thunderstorming and dark and just kind of foreboding, how would that set the mood for a story? That would change the way the reader kind of understands the story. These are all kind of symbols of an emotion or a mood. So this week you're going to be studying tone and mood in the stories we're reading. So you're going to read Act 2 of A Raisin in the Sun, and then you're going to read the poem Harlem by Langston Hughes, and short story, just a part of the short story, not the whole short story. You're going to be watching a kind of actors recreate it, Everyday Use by Alice Walker. And all three of these authors are very important for reasons you'll find out and when you read them. So, but when you read especially A Raisin in the Sun and Everyday Use, I want you to pay attention to the mood. How is it set up? How is the setting happening? Is there anything in the way the characters speak, what the characters say to each other, what the house is like at this point, how it's being described? Does that set a tone for the rest of your reading? Does it kind of change and affect the way you're reading it? Now, you're going to see this less so with Harlem, but definitely Everyday Use and A Raisin with the Sun. So I'm really excited for you to get on to these three pieces. Everyday Use and Harlem are not that long, so it's fine. But definitely at this point in A Raisin in the Sun, you should be able to start picking up on some cues that kind of set the tone for the story. So be looking for those. Also, you're still going to be working with theme because we need to discuss those really heavy themes in especially Act 2 of A Raisin in the Sun. So I can't wait to hear your thoughts on those. And I'm a little bit behind in grading right now because I am headed into finals week for my own program, and I have to get my novel to my editor. So I've been really working hard, and I am going to play catch up as soon as I am finished with those final papers that I have to do this week. So, and then I will be focused all on you guys because I will be finished with my program and have my MFA. So, and hopefully I would like to bring you guys kind of along with me in my journey of trying to get my book published. So just to give you a little heads up, just so you know, if you ever want to write, basically, so I took 2 years to write my novel, and then I sent it out to beta readers, and beta readers are people who read the novel before a real big revision takes place. So I sent it out to about 6 people, and those 6 people gave me their responses back, and I made some really big revisions and changes to my novel. So that's what, I always stress to you guys that you should always just learn to love the editing process. It's absolutely true because I have edited this thing probably 5 times. It's gone through 5 revisions, and now it's getting ready to go to the editor and proofreader, and then it'll have to be done again before I start to query agents. And querying agents is basically sending parts of my manuscript to agents to try and get representation in the publishing world. And I would like to bring you guys along with that because you are studying literature and you should know how these books actually get the attention they deserve. You should know the process that takes. So I'll be excited. I'll add, anytime something big happens, I will let you know. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I may be a little bit silent because it's my finals week and the book, but if you need anything, please, I will be checking my email. I will be checking the Schoology email, so please do not hesitate to get a hold of me, and if I don't answer you right away, harass me. It is 100% okay to harass me, okay? All right, thanks.